From consultation to collaboration, harnessing stakeholder involvement for innovation in higher education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This chapter explores the shift from traditional consultation to active collaboration in higher education to foster innovation and adapt to evolving industry and societal needs. Traditionally, higher education institutions have engaged stakeholders through various consultation mechanisms, i.e., surveys, advisory boards, etc. While valuable, these mechanisms often fail to fully leverage stakeholder expertise in shaping institutional strategy and curriculum. This chapter argues that true innovation in higher education requires moving towards a more collaborative model, where stakeholders co-create solutions, share knowledge and engage in decision-making. Using document analysis, case studies were drawn from Google Scholar, Web of Science, Scopus and JSTOR to articulate the importance of collaboration. The evolution of stakeholder involvement in higher education, alignment of the curriculum with industry needs, interdisciplinary approaches to problem solving and accelerated innovation. It also looks at key strategies for fostering collaboration, such as creating partnerships, incorporating diverse stakeholder feedback and leveraging digital platforms. This chapter also emphasizes empowering stakeholders to take an active role in educating pupils about the intricacies of contemporary human capital. Introduction. Developing innovative educational programs in higher education is a complex process that requires input from many different people, not just educators. In the past, universities often worked in isolation, with decisions made mostly by policymakers and little involvement from others. However, there has been a shift toward including a wider range of voices, such as students, parents, employers, government bodies, alumni, and community members, in the creation of new and relevant curricula. This collaborative approach helps ensure that programs meet real-world needs and prepare students for the job market. Stakeholders can be either internal, like university staff and students, or external, like businesses and government agencies. When these groups work together, they share ideas and build stronger, more effective educational systems. Their involvement not only improves the quality and relevance of the curriculum but also strengthens ties between universities and the wider community. This kind of partnership makes stakeholders feel valued and increases their investment in educational outcomes. Research shows that involving stakeholders leads to better decisions, more support for educational projects, and improved student performance. Overall, collaboration is a powerful tool for driving innovation and success in higher education. Conclusion. The success of universities relies heavily on working closely with a wide range of people, including students, parents, teachers, employers, and the broader community. When everyone is involved, educational programs become more relevant, effective, and better aligned with real-world needs. This collaboration helps improve teaching, policies, and the overall learning experience. By building strong partnerships and encouraging teamwork, universities can create more meaningful, inclusive, and sustainable practices. In short, engaging stakeholders in decision-making leads to better outcomes for students and helps universities grow in ways that benefit both individuals and society. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.